अस्सलाम वालेकुम, दिस इज़ फरिया आकिब एंड वेलकम टू द चैनल वन। और आज हमारे पास मौजूद हैं अ वेरी नोन बिजनेसमैन एंड ही इज़ मिस्टर एलेक्सी। वेलकम मिस्टर एलेक्सी एंड ही इज़ हेड ऑफ इंटरनेशनल कॉर्पोरेशन डिपार्टमेंट। और आज हम इनसे बात करेंगे अबाउट व्हाई ही इज़ हियर एंड व्हाट इज़ द पर्पस ही इज़ हियर फॉर इन कराची, पाकिस्तान। Hello, how are you?
Hello, thank you. Fine.
Welcome to Pakistan. Is this your first day?
Yeah, it's my first day in Pakistan, and I'm very glad to be here.
So when did you arrive to Karachi?
Well, 6 a.m., just a couple of hours.
So we are the first one to capture you?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, you tell me why are you here and what brought you to Pakistan?
Well, first of all, let me introduce our company, the Nextouch. It's Russia's leading manufacturer of displays, interactive equipment, different types of educational equipment, and innovation leader and national champion, as it's called in Russia. We produce more than 5,000 pieces of equipment every month, more than 45 different types of that.
Very nice.
Yes, and though we occupy more than 1/3 of Russian market, it's now time to expand our presence in the world and to grow the Nextouch as a world-leading technological brand from Russia. That's why we are here, because we really believe that Pakistan, with its vision of digital transformation, education modernization, and technological sovereignty, is the key player in the Asian market. It's very interesting for us to be here.
So this is an honor for us that you have chosen Pakistan for this big opportunity around Asia. And okay, let me ask you about your company. What it manufactures? What is the main things that it makes?
Well, the main our product, as we say, is the displays of high dimensions, big dimensions. But we can produce displays on video, and we have localization close to 100% back in Russia. So it's absolute Russian origin and the product made in Russia.
Okay.
That's why we are keen on quality, of course, and we are proud to be the part of digital sovereignty of Russian Federation.
So this is authorized and everything is being checked and everything is, a procedure, everything is done in Russia, and you have the all authority to do it there and in a very proper manner. Oh, that's very nice. So what am I going to tell you, or what am I going to ask you, because this is your first day in Karachi, Pakistan. So I just wanted to know, do you want to visit the places like Quaid-e-Azam Ka Mazar, Frayal Hall, Mathar Palace, and there are lots of beaches. Would you like to?
Well, to be honest, I love my job very much. Not only because I'm a great fan of Nextouch, but because it gives me an opportunity to travel a lot, to visit new places and meet brilliant new people. That's why, of course, we're going to visit all the historical places in Karachi, and we will be in Islamabad. I think we will do the historical tourism too. I'm keen on gastronomical tourism, so I'll be happy to try the Pakistan national food. I hope it's not very hot.
No, it's not. But we are very fond of biryani. You should try biryani.
Biryani with chicken, yes?
Yes, with chicken. So that means you know about biryani. हमारी बिरयानी जो है वो पूरे कह सकते हैं दुनिया में मशहूर हो चुकी है, और स्पेशली कराची की बिरयानी हमने लास्ट टाइम जब हमारे गेस्ट आए थे उनसे भी पूछा था, और ये इन्होंने खुद बताया कि वो ज़रूर ट्राई करना चाहेंगे चिकन बिरयानी. Okay, that was very nice meeting you. And if you want to suggest something about the other companies from Russia should come to Pakistan, and is it okay?
Yes, we see that Pakistan is, first of all, it's a great country in Asia, and we are sure that the future and the vision of Pakistan is very interesting and very promising. We see how the country moves forward, and we will be glad to transfer our technologies, our knowledge and expertise to help Pakistan build a digital future, the technological sovereignty, and things that are so important in modern world.
Yep. Yeah. Okay. You're here for the Expo. So would you like to tell me something about the Expo?
We are going to visit Expo, but I didn't yet. So
This is the first. Yeah, I have just captured you. One challenge is adopt you here.
Yes, but I've not much to say about Expo. I ain't been there, yet, but I sure we'll meet again and I will tell you everything.
Are you excited to be in Karachi, Pakistan?
Yes, I'm excited because, well, it's pretty cold in Moscow and here's 35 plus.
Yeah.
And of course I'm excited. Every Russian is excited and it's hot.
Yes. I've seen that most of the Russians love the hot weather. Why is that?
Yeah, because, there is an anecdote in Russia that, what do you think about Russian winter? Oh, the green is all right, but the white is a mess.
Opposite. And we think that we should get some cool from Russia.
Yes, but, let's better warm each other with our hearts.
Thank you so much. It was very nice meeting you, Alexi, once again. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I have a little present for you with, please.
Thank you. I got a present and the company Nextouch, and we will be very happy to be in the Expo also, and we will highlight that also. And हम सब बहुत शुक्रगुजार हैं रशिया की इस कंपनी के लिए जो कि यहाँ पर पाकिस्तान में आई है, और हम दुआ करते हैं कि इसी तरह से पाकिस्तान के लिए इंटरनेशनल मार्केट खुले. Thank you so much.
वॉइस ऑफ नेशन की वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल के आइकॉन पर क्लिक कीजिए ताकि आप हमारी तमाम आने वाली वीडियो से बाखबर रह सकें।